Hello guys, samahan niyo ako magluto ng veg biryani. This is my first time to cook veg biryani. Also, this is my first vlog. And we're gonna cook dum biryani. Now I'm doing frying onion. What we're gonna do is the half of the onion put in the marinade vegetable. This is the vegetable that we marinate last night. We have a paneer, potato, tomato, green peas, beans, capsicum, and we put a biryani masala, ginger garlic paste, and curd. Now, the half of the onion we're gonna put in the marinade vegetable. Now, in the same pan, we put sunflower oil, and now we put ghee. 1 spoon of ghee. And then we're gonna put a bay leaves, mint, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and lemon. And then this is a biryani rice. We have a bay leaf, cinnamon, black pepper, kasuri methi, cloves, cardamom, hing, mustard seed, and jeera seed. And this, the masala: salt, Kashmiri powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder. And then we need to put water. Three spoon of ghee. 3. And then oil. 2 tablespoons. Let's wait until the oil comes out so the masala can cook properly. The next step is we're gonna put the marinated vegetable. Let the cook 2 to 5 minutes until the masala cook properly. And let it boil. Let's see, it's boiling now. The next step is we're gonna put the rice. The smell is too much good. Let's put we need to put this in color here. And then for the smell good, we need to put coriander and kasuri methi with the oil and ghee, and then the fried onion. Just wait for 20 minutes until cooked, and we need to cover it and cook for the 20 minutes in the low flame. We need to put a heavy object to cover it, and the smell is stay inside. And wait for 20 minutes. Now, we're gonna mix with the cucumber, onion, with the curd, with a little bit, yogurt, with a little bit water. Then mix. That's it on how to make this salad. Partner with the biryani. This is too much good, guys. Now the biryani is cooked. Smelling good, guys. Paneer, potato, rice. Perfect. That's it for today, guys. See you on my next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.